The Know Your Trades module allows the compliance officer to review traditionally flat data in a graphical interface. Using the graph interface both allows the user to better understand the innate relational properties of the data, as well as provides an easy-to-understand query and navigation system that can help the compliance officer explore large amounts of cumbersome data in an intuitive fashion. This particular layout shows active traders in our system. User nodes can be customized to display employee images, ID numbers, names, or any other information that might be required by the compliance officer. If we zoom in further, we can see edges or lines that connect our nodes or people. Here, the edges contain the number of securities the users traded in common on that given day. We can peek into this information by hovering over the edge for more details. Using the power of a graph database, we can calculate unique relational properties in a highly efficient manner, something that would be far more challenging for a traditional relational SQL database. Let's look at an individual user, Olivia Johnson, to better understand the information that's been encoded for her node. Here, it looks as though she has an analytic degree of 3, meaning that she's traded several securities in common with 3 other users in the system. The graph can be dynamically queried to display the information that is needed by the compliance officer, entering a particular stock, individual, group of stocks, group of individuals, or even date range. If we click on any one of these individual users, we can load what is called an EgoNet of that user. Here, we can see all of the executed orders that Olivia Johnson placed and a one-hop traversal of her graph to show the individuals who also traded those securities. Hovering over the edges, we can access the actual details of those individual trades, seeing the time they were executed, size, counterparty, price information, and whatever else might need to be encoded in the system. Double-clicking on any one of these individual securities, we can load the one-hop EgoNet of that security, showing the users that traded it, as well as the other securities that those users traded themselves. Traversing the information in this manner allows us to easily review large amounts of information that has traditionally been trapped in spreadsheets. Now let's use the query function to look at any particular stock in the system. Let's try ABC. If we enter a ticker name and hit the query button, we'll load a one-hop EgoNet of that security, effectively everyone who's traded ABC, and then one hop out, so all the other securities that those individuals traded. Hovering over the edges, we can again see the details of the trades that were placed in the system. Double-clicking on any one of these nodes, we can launch a one-hop EgoNet of that source node. So, as you can see, customizing this view and using the unique properties of a graph database, we can easily query large amounts of traditionally flat data and visually explore the relationship of entities and identify patterns amongst them.